Hello and welcome back for my video about my project called Family Organizer. In this video I will make a small cleanup, remove some code we don't need anymore, and then I will creating the prepare statements for our setup page. So when you download this project and put it on your computer on your server, then you will sending to the setup page, so you can change the title and you can change whatever we want to desire, like creating your first administrator user, and yeah, something like that. So let's beginning and going for the editor. The first one I want to do is removing the authentication. We don't need that right now. I will going for my index file, this one, and say we want to have it inside here. So we want now to put it inside to every page we create below. And then I will remove the components here and going up at the card and going up here to the and say this is the index page, welcome. And then we have to removing those here. Don't need this, and we have components here. I'll just remove those just for safety. We don't need those, and that's what we need here. And I think we can go in for the login page here and remove the middleware too, and see how it reacts. I'm still hitting the authentication middleware. I'll restart again, going for the index page, and I think we need to put this away so you can see what's happening. And that's weird. I think we need to go in for the Nuxt one more time. Let's restarting one more time. And then we're in. There's the index page, welcome, and you can see all our menu in the left side here, so that's perfect. Let's going back and enable the authentication one more time, and now we're sent to the login page. So now we are ready. The first thing we want to do, it's going for our server application in core, and then I want to copy these lines and going down here and say system, and then we want to say status verify, and in the beginning I will just keep it as false because we want to sending whoops, spelling error. I want to send you to the setup page. So the next we want to do is creating a new middleware. We can remove the old one here, or we can rename it. Let's rename it so we can reuse it. We want to call it system status verify.js. We can go inside, and now we need the app, and I want to say trigger system status verify middleware, and then we want to return the apps, so we can say get, and we can say API, and then the system status verify, and then if we get the response from our API, I expect that, else we have something wrong. Then I want to take the response we get from that, send it inside, and return a redirect with a name called system configuration. Configured. And then we need a constant called response, and we want the data from the response. And if we don't receive a true on status, then return. Else we want to return next. So we need the next inside. I think that's the middleware. I think I have a spelling error still here. Let me try one more time. Yes, I'm correct, and then we can save that. Going for a new page, we need to log in authentication. Let's restart the application one more time. Of course, it doesn't work because we forgot to tell our system about it. And then it should work. And saying we don't have the page called system name, so let's creating it when it's coming to say it. Trigger and reload. That's weird. Let's make a console log. Of course not. I have a spelling error again. Now it's saying the root with the name system configuration does not exist. So let's creating this one. Call the new folder for system, and then inside the system, the configuration. Inside here we will call welcome to our setup page. H1, and we want the layout. We will create this, call it system, and copy login here. And let's see what's happening. Now you can see we have the welcome to our setup page now. Of course we don't have we have returned false. So let's going back for the server and index, and change it to true, and then you can see we should return something like we should return the login page again, but no, we have some bug here. Let's see about this in my middleware. and we are ready to go now. So if I'm going back to a middleware, and then you can just remove the next and save it, and going for core again and say false, and then it's with restarting the server index. And hopefully it's return us to the right page if I'm clicking on login. You can see the false, so we are sending here. So something is wrong if something happening and you don't hitting on the middleware. We will take care of this in some of the next videos when we will fix the bugs. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. And in the next video we will decide what we need before the configuration can complete, and then I will make a setup for the layout page so it's look more nice. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy. And remember to subscribe my channel in the right corner below. You can press on the ding, and I hope you want to give it a like and share with your friends. And of course, if you want the code, you can go for my GitHub. The link is below. You can follow me on my private channel, and you can download the source code completely free. And I hope you want to watch next time. I'm creating a video about my family organizer. Thank you so much for your time.